And welcome back. It was another warm one today across the viewing area. Temperatures did top out in the mid 80s here in Meridian, 86 degrees. So about 6 degrees above our normal. We were well above our average low for this time of year, 67 this morning, our average being right in the mid 50s. No precipitation day. We are over 4 and about 4¼ inches above where we should be for this time of year. Now you may be wondering, well, this number was less yesterday. Well, what happened was actually the data that came in for one of the days in late April was wrong. And so it got upgraded overnight, and that's why we now have the correct data. So we're over 4 inches above where we should be for this time of year, and unfortunately, we probably have a little more rain on the way. Thankfully, not too much. So we're watching this storm system out here over Texas and Oklahoma. This is our next storm maker. These storms have been severe throughout the day. Tornado warnings, tornadoes. Second day in a row for severe weather for southern Oklahoma and northern Texas. Thankfully, by the time this system gets here, we're not talking severe weather for us. We did have a few showers and thunderstorms move on up to north and to the east of Meridian. Thankfully, those have since died on out. We're clearing on out a little bit, but we do have another little boundary that's trying to roll on in. And yeah, I'll bring us some clouds as we go on throughout tomorrow. It really shows on visible satellite. You can see these little storms pop up over Meridian as these frontal boundaries move on through. And of course, you can see all the ones bubbling and boiling out here as a frontal boundary move to the southwest. Again, that is our next storm maker, but it's going to take some time to get here. Really, we're talking Friday night into your Saturday time frame. So tonight's forecast will still be pretty warm, partly cloudy skies in the mid 60s. Those winds calming down to near zero out of the south. And then for your Thursday, warm conditions again and a little low pressure down to the south, bringing some showers as well along the Gulf Coast. So we can't rule out some spotty showers, although we're not really talking accumulation. We're watching this out here as our next storm maker whenever it gets here. And thankfully, by the time it gets here, again, no severe weather at the current moment, and the accumulations are looking relatively low, which is the good news. And before that gets here, we're going to enjoy for tomorrow. It'll be near 90 degrees across most of the viewing area. Those winds out of the south-southeast, anywhere from 5 to 10 miles per hour, turning cloudy throughout the day ahead of this storm system. Again, this low pushing on up to the north and to the east. Still have a cold front, more of a cool front really, dragging down to the south of it. You can see the southeastern, eastern U.S. is going to be dealing with showers and thunderstorms throughout the week. And so overall, not too great. And how about those rainfall potentials? Yeah, again, accumulation-wise, maybe 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch. And that's going to be more towards our western counties is our thinking right now. And it really depends on, you could get some heavier cells pop up really as they move on through, as that front does move on through. So some of us could be a little bit higher than that, but overall this is our current thinking, 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rain. So here we go for your Thursday, mostly cloudy skies, 88 degrees. We stay in the mid to upper 80s for your Friday, although a 40% chance of showers rolling on in during the evening overnight hours. Our best chances for Saturday and temperatures will be in the upper 70s, so near average, but again, it's going to be a rainy Saturday. Let me quickly get that on out here for your Sunday, and the temperatures warm back up to the mid to upper 80s for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week, with overnight lows across the board in the 60s and 50s.